Spain is experiencing one of the most devastating floods in its history. As the storm blankets the streets with water, the levels rise rapidly. Roads, homes, and livelihoods are left vulnerable to the unstoppable force of nature. In these moments, the rivers overflow. Cars are submerged, bridges collapse. The flood engulfs the streets as people watch helplessly as the water takes over. Every corner of the city is touched by the disaster. Rescue teams arrive on the scene, but controlling the water is nearly impossible. People fight to survive in the flood's midst. The city's infrastructure is crumbling. After the disaster, all that remains is ruin. Homes are destroyed, roads are rendered unusable. But there is hope after every disaster. People begin to recover and rebuild. Finally, the destruction caused by the flood is clear. Nature has claimed victory once again. But the people of Spain come together to overcome the devastation. Nature may be powerful, but the human spirit is stronger. Please don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with news like this.